Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a synthetic wig review, baby. This is from the Sensationnel Butta lace. This is Butta lace Glam Wave 24 inches, baby. So this has HD lace, you guys, and the hairline is pre-plucked with the baby hairs. Like, this wig is bomb, you guys. Like, wow. Y'all were asking me what hair this was. I'm like, let me hurry up and get this review out because, baby. So it's a part wig. It's kind of like a T-lace part wig, you guys. So it does have a deep side part. You do get two combs in the front. You do get two combs in the front, a comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. So this is me. This wig is straight out of the box. I believe I already had foundation on it here because that's like the first step I do. But that's literally all. As y'all can see, this wig is bomb. The part lays where it's supposed to lay. The baby hairs is gonna be busting. Like, if you don't have this wig, I suggest you get this unit right now. So, of course, I'm gonna show you guys how I installed it, of course. Okay, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But now, first I like to get the baby hairs out of the way, y'all. Like, get them out of the way. Get the baby hairs out of the way, and you'll be good to go. So I did go ahead and cut the ear tabs on this lace just because I wanted it to lay like a frontal. I did actually melt this one down, you guys. I usually don't. Trying something new, trying not to be so lazy on my channel, y'all know. So I did go ahead and melt this one down. So I cut the ear tabs, you guys. This step is optional, and I probably shouldn't have even done this because I wound up cutting them too short, and yeah. But you know, to each his own, to each his own. So once I cut that, I went ahead and started the melting process. I know I'm using the black ebon. Love this. Check out my Amazon storefront for the link. Okay. What I've been doing is just spraying it into the hairline, like right there, and then kind of getting it back, combing it back into the hairline, so that you have like at least an inch worth of melt down, because we don't want no lifting, girl. And like I said, this is a T-lace part, so it's minimal lace around the hairline. But it's enough to get a melt, okay? So I'm showing you guys, you know, I do this every video. I'm just putting some cool air on it and getting the hairline melted. Like I always say, I work in 3 sections. So I do the front, like the middle area, and then I work on the side parts. I just find that it works easier like this. I have better control, and it just looks nicer. So take your time. And here I go chopping away again, and I definitely messed it up. So don't be like me, don't be like me. So I'm putting that cold air on there, and then once that's done, I went ahead and put the elastic band on. Y'all, and leave that on for as long as you can. Like, the longer you leave it on, the more meltier it'll be. Like, so I suggest leaving it on for at least like 10 to 15 minutes, and even longer if you can, you know. But I was in a hurry, so yeah. Now I went ahead and I put the hot comb on the part, y'all, because like I was like, I just need to. I feel like I needed to. Like, I do this with all my wigs, so I went ahead and did that. It just made it a little bit more flatter to my head. Y'all know I have locks on under here, so I've been needing to get these wigs like as flat as possible, because otherwise it'll look kind of humpy a little bit. And I did go ahead and kind of bump that front area. I wanted like a little volume up at that front, so I just kind of pressed it back and kind of get it like that little volume, you know what I'm saying? So once I took the elastic band off, I did go ahead and kind of further melt the edges. So now I'm going ahead and I'm cutting the lace, you guys. This was pretty melted, so this was a pretty easy hack or whatever. So I've been cutting my lace a new way. I'll take the little eyebrow razor, put it right, you know, where I need it cut, and then just like lift the lace up. It cuts it just like, almost like it's like a tape dispenser. You guys know how it be like, y'all know what I'm talking about, like when you use clear tape or like any masking tape or anything, it has those rigid edges. Like, it's the same concept. So make sure you're cutting your lace like this. If you aren't, like, I will go into detail. If y'all want a tutorial, let me know. Okay. So I went ahead and did that, you know, all throughout the lace. Y'all can see it's a perfect clean cut, and it leaves it kind of jagged a little bit, you know. So this is bomb. Off jump. This is the only way I'm cutting my lace from now on. To get rid of that white cast, I did go ahead and go in with the hairspray, and I just kind of further, I just put a little bit on my finger, and then I put a little bit on my finger, and then just kind of dab on the white ashy part, and this will definitely like get rid of that white cast. Now I did go ahead and do a little baby hairs. Okay, I only did it on the side that was showing, like on the part. So I did the 2 combo. Yeah, I know. One little one above the ear, and then I went ahead and started making one like right above my eyebrows. Y'all know the big swoopy one. I call it the big swoopy swoop because you pull out a lot of hair. So yeah, go ahead and cut that. Always remember, cut it at a diagonal too, because you want it to be like, you know what I'm saying. So I didn't curl this one. Usually I'll curl my baby hairs, but like I said, I was in a rush. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and just making it, faking it till you make it. So I went ahead and touched the baby hair up. Y'all, this take your time with the baby hairs. Like, I know y'all be like, it's hard to do baby hairs. It is. It really is. Like, you have to take your time, and then you need to kind of use both hands when you're doing it. And then even sometimes I have to go back in and do it. But, you know, it is what it is. So now I went in with some makeup and just put it on the hairline. This will further get rid of the white cast. Like, it was not white, but it was not matching my skin color. So that's why I'm doing this. So I kind of used like a darker shade, like my contour shade, and I put that on the hairline. Now in the part, I do go ahead and use my actual shade, my actual hair shade, my actual skin tone to kind of brighten that part out, because the part be like white, and our scalp is not white, you guys. So please put makeup in the part. Like, it just looks so much better, and it's just, this is like something that I do every day. So I use a pressed powder for that, you guys. Now I'm just going ahead and I'm combing the hair, y'all. I'm combing the tangles out. The hair wasn't even very tangled, y'all. It was just kind of like, you know, it wasn't tangled. It was just from me doing all that stuff to it. So this was gorgeous. The curl pattern is bomb. It comes already layered. Y'all, I really like this unit. Like, really like it. My only con is that I wish that it wasn't a part wig, but that it was a 13x6. But this makes it so much easier because it comes already parted and you don't have to part it. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. Now I did go ahead and kind of put some more hairspray on that area just because I wanted it to kind of like be off my face. So yeah, that's how I got that to look like that. And I did go ahead and tuck it behind my ear. Just that's the look I was going for. You don't have to do this, but like I said, I'm just showing y'all, you know, what I did. Okay. So yeah, I went ahead and put my makeup on. Y'all, this was giving. Like, I actually wore this unit for like 3 days in a row. And by tying it up at night and twisting it, it just looks the same. This is a wig that you bust out for date night or any time that you need like a glam hairstyle on the go. This is the unit, okay? Like, it's bomb. Like, and it'll last. This unit will last. This unit will last you, okay? Especially if you take care of it. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video showing how I care for my synthetic wigs, because I definitely will show that. But like I said, this one is bomb. Curl pattern bomb, color bomb, everything. Like, I just love that little front part, how it's like layered already. And y'all, this is bomb. Like I said, I wore this unit a few times. I'm just showing you guys the installation, so I won't be putting on like a little outfit in this video. I just wanted to show you guys the wig and everything like that, because I did rock this wig in a few of my photos on Instagram and on everything like that. So yeah, make sure you guys check that out. This is the wig that I'm wearing, you guys. It is a little bit on the pricier point. Y'all know these butter lace wigs be like a little bit high, but it's definitely worth it if you guys are looking for something like this. Something like this that's quick and easy, already layered. Y'all know that's my issue with the human hair units. You have to cut it and color it, and we are not stylists, baby. We are regular people who have everyday jobs and stuff. We ain't got time for all that. So This one is cute. It's real natural. I really like the color, y'all. I got a 1B, and it just looks like bundles, okay? So let me know what you guys think about this one. Let me know if you have this one, okay? Let's talk down in the comments, you guys. And as always, thank you so much for watching and supporting me, you guys. It really does not go unnoticed, I promise, okay? So as always, thank you for watching. Bye.